Hey everyone, what's up? In this video, let's use a relay module with an Arduino Nano to toggle high power load like this 12 volt 5 ampere LED tube light. Also, I'm gonna use a power supply, these batteries and few jumper wires. Let's get started. Before starting this video, let's understand some basic first. A relay is an electromechanical switch which can be toggled when we connect a power supply to its terminal. This is an SPDT relay, which stands for single pole double throw relay. So it have a common point and two more points which are normally open and normally closed. On the other hand, a relay module is basically a breakout board with a SPDT relay and a transistor as a switch setup.
In short, we can easily control the relay module within microcontroller, but if we try to directly hook relay VCC within microcontroller's digital pin, it can destroy our microcontroller. To avoid that, just don't hook relay directly to an microcontroller and use a relay module instead, or you can use transistor as a switch setup and connect the SPDT relay as its load and then hook the base of transistor with the digital pin of microcontroller. Now let's hook these two up in fritzing. First connect VCC of the module with 5 volts and ground to ground. Then connect the digital pin 3 and 4 to signal pin of the module. After this, connect the load with the normally open and common terminals like this. Now let's hook everything up. Here's the sketch that I am using. Now let's just upload this sketch to our board. And as you can see, our setup is working. Leave a like if this video was helpful and hit that subscribe button. Super peace.